Oh, hell no.
If I'm gonna do it, you have to be fully dedicated.
I can't wear it.
You look so cute. You have to wear exactly what I say.
Hi everyone, today we're doing a very different video. I am being dressed for the entire week. Uni lectures, nights out, everything by Christabel, one of my BFFs. She has such a unique style. Everything is secondhand, charity shopped, really cool pieces that I know are gonna put me out my comfort zone, so I can't wait to see what she's chosen to put me in. Hi everyone, I'm about to go to Christabel's and get her to pick up the outfits for me. I'm gonna try and not really look at them, but I think we'll just check sizes and things like that. Okay, I'm gonna go. You guys are trying to go there.
But okay, so Monday, what have you got?
I'm looking pretty rough this morning, so let's not judge that. Today is Monday, the beginning of this interesting week. The rest of the week is all in there minus shoes. And then my first outfit is in here. Oh my god, this is very different to what I'd usually wear. We have a long black dress, which is kind of meshy and it's striped in velvet. This is what we're working with. Honestly, I'm kind of into it. It's not that bad. Oh my god, she's given me this hat. What is this hat? This is just not a look. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. So I've just got ready, did my hair in a half up, half down situation, and I put on these earrings, and I'm wearing my black and gold 9.5s as they're the only black shoes that are comfortable for a full day of uni that I have. Moving on to coats. Christabel originally said I need to wear my leather trench, but I just wasn't really feeling it, so I'm gonna try on this one instead. I just feel like the shoes are just not a vibe. Oh my god, I think this is gonna be my least favorite outfit for sure. It's just not very me at all, and I feel like a long black dress, it's just not me. Not looking forward to wearing this, but we'll deal with it. Let's try on the hat again. Maybe now that my hair's tied up, it'll look a bit different. Nope. How are you? I'm good. You look so cute.
How do you feel?
How do I feel?
Feel trendy.
No.
Where's the hat?
Oh yeah, oh my god, the hat looks so bad.
Oh, it looks so nice on you. It actually looks really cute.
I do look like a witch in a 90s film.
Yeah.
Today's Tuesday, time for the second outfit this week. I think I'm gonna like this one way more than yesterday. Okay, so on top we've got this green polo with these green, I think that flares, with this knitted jumper over the top. Cute. And then this this blazer over the top. I'm gonna get this on. I'm excited. So this is today's look. I feel like I was more excited for this outfit before I put it on. What do you guys think? Not something I'd usually wear, but Christabel has just arrived at my house and she's gonna get to see the outfit.
I think you look lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It goes with the shoes as well.
Yeah, I think this is
The shoes are green.
I love it with the jacket as well. It looks so sick. Alright, old school blazer. Take off the blazer, please. And then we've got this little really sort of retro vest. Turn around. It was a little, it kind of got like a dog tooth print on it type thing.
Yeah, it kind of does.
And then it goes perfectly with these trousers, which I found in a charity shop. It's like exactly the same colour scheme. Which I actually sewed at the back because they were massive. I was making her wear it with this, but she's taken it off.
Because it was too itchy. Is there something else I can wear of mine? Okay, we added this for some warmth. Good to go. Tuesday's outfit complete. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Today's outfit. Let's have a look. We've got this jacket, this top, and these bottoms. Wait, is that a skirt? Oh, thank God. Okay, I look naked, but I'm not. So this is the main part of the outfit. It's these plaid kind of baggy trousers and then this crop top. Not very winter approved, but let's put the jacket on and see what it looks like. I mean, we are clashing with the patterns and everything, but I'm kind of into it. It kind of reminds me of yesterday's outfit quite a lot. I think I'm just going to be absolutely freezing wearing this. So I think I need to put on a layer somehow. I'm going to speak to Christabel, see what she says. And I think I might have my hair down today, as I've worn it up every day. I'm going to go now to Christabel's, sort of my outfit. Alright. The jacket just looked weird as well. Is it have I got long arms or something?
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. I have got long arms. Very beryl. Look outrageous. Got this.
No! No. I can't wear this.
All those.
Yeah.
I think a black.
Let me try them on. Oh, give over!
Yeah!
No!
That's what I'm talking about! The blue acid wash one's quite cool. Do we have any blue?
I think the outfit is done.
But then I don't like the shoes with it anymore.
Really? You want to film the outfit?
Actually, you look so cute. Little over the shoulder boulder holder.
Today's Thursday, it's time for one of our final outfits. So for today, all we've got are these trousers and this big fluffy jumper. I'm dressed and I like the outfit, yeah! So, I'm wearing my own patch jacket for some warmth. This pink fluffy turtleneck with these striped little bootcut kind of flares, very like low-waisted. Very cute, loads of green in them, and I'm going to wear them with my white Air Forces with the green laces. I wish I could wear the bag that she's given me as well, but I'm just going to have to wear it tonight as I need to go to the library and need to put my laptop and stuff in. And then for earrings, I'm wearing these dangly ones from Depop with letters on them, and I think I'm just going to try and leave my hair down. This is definitely my favourite look of the whole week so far. I'm really into it. I think it's really nice. Later in the evening, I'm going out tonight and Christabel is of course dressing me. So I'm going to have a look at what we've got to wear. So we got the same trousers earlier and she's given me this sports bra. This really pretty cardigan. I think it's hand painted from somewhere in South Africa. It's beautiful with this little green bag. This is just explained so badly. This video is so random, like it's so bad. My boyfriend just can't get angles. Basically went around Christabel's, the outfit that she chose for me just didn't work. So she completely put me in a new outfit. It was this one strap crop top from Aries with this orange top over the top with these amazing racing trousers. They're like boys ones. So cool. I love this outfit, like so good. with these Slazenger Velcro trainers. I don't even know what that video is, like, it's just so bad. Happy Friday. Today is one of my most anticipated outfits because, oh, it's kind of crazy.
Show the football.
Show the football.
Yeah. I feel like oh my god, 7-0.
Oh my god, 7-0. Okay, time for the reveal. So I've got this green mesh top from Depop, so cute, with lettuce trim everywhere. And got it with these black classic cycling shorts. These are from Topshop. And then this is a Lonsdale super oversized bright green jacket to match. And I've got this cute green bag. It's not neon, but it actually goes really well. It's so cute. And I'm gonna do some stuff with my hair. I think I'm vibing like a half up, half down situation. And that's what Christabel said for me to do.
Just be 1v1.
Watching this back, they're like the most random pictures ever. Like, again, why can't my boyfriend just take normal pictures of me? Today is Saturday and I'm going out for my friend's birthday later. Very casual, but this outfit is so pink. We have these Adidas pink and black trackies. This grandma little vest. Pink fluffy hat. Pink scarf if I get cold. This top and this jacket. What? So we got the Adidas trackies with this cutout top underneath and this Pretty Jokes little vest, this hat, and then the jacket. Wow. I actually kind of like today's outfit. I think it's perfect for what I'm doing. I'm just going to the pub with friends and then going to karaoke all for some friends' birthdays. So I think it's a very chilled outfit, very comfy. And I'm going to be wearing them with a high top and Nikes. So.